Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to US Highway 67 as it passes through Perla, Arkansas. Perla is a small rural community in Hot Spring County located along this important north-south route. The highway connects Perla to nearby towns such as Malvern to the south and Bismarck to the north. US 67 has served as a key transportation corridor since the early 20th century, supporting travel and local industries. As you drive through Perla, you'll see a mix of farmland, forested areas, and scattered homes. The town developed alongside the highway, relying on it for access to markets and services. Traffic is generally light, mostly local vehicles and occasional trucks passing through. US 67 shows the rural character of central Arkansas. Thank you for joining us on this drive along US Highway 67 in Arkansas. Thanks for watching!